there's nothing original. I got this from somebody, just to remember. If you're eating processed food, which a lot of us do, and drinking it, if you cannot pronounce the ingredients, take it back. Give it to someone. If you cannot pronounce, again, the ingredients, you know where I'm going with this, where it's like 20 letters long, then put that back. Google healthy alternative. I am a huge advocate of losing weight safely and in a healthy way, and have certain proper expectations for each week. And that comes by learning about yourself. And yeah, they may have, you can use some of the apps, and you can get an idea of your average calories, then you can get a better idea of what's going to be the safest caloric daily and weekly deficit for you. And I'm not even talking about exercise, I'm speaking about nutrition. And then throughout the process of you learning about yourself and exploring new food alternatives, you're going to start to develop new lifestyle, new behaviors that's going to be conducive to your long-term weight loss goals. It's not an overnight process. Also, what are your thoughts? Have you ever experienced, being physically full but not mentally satisfied? Share your experience. Post it in the comments.